Imagine you're at a bookstore, browsing through some books, when suddenly a stranger walks up to you. He greets you by name and claims to be an old friend. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what happens to Bipin Chaudhary in the story we are about to explore. Welcome to the fascinating world of Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory by Satyajit Ray. Meet Bipin Chaudhary. He's an older gentleman, known for his love of books. One day, while visiting his favorite bookstore, a man approaches him. The man says, "Hello, Bipin. Do you remember me? We met during your trip to Ranchi." But Bipin is shocked. He doesn't recall ever going to Ranchi. Is the man mistaken? Or is there something Bipin has forgotten? The stranger introduces himself as Parimal Ghosh and starts recalling personal details about Bipin's trip that only Bipin would know. How could this be? Bipin insists that he's never been to Ranchi. But Parimal is sure. He even mentions another person, Dinesh Mukherjee, who was also on the trip. This leaves Bipin even more puzzled. Bipin decides to talk to Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee to clear things up. Guess what? Dinesh confirms that they did, indeed, go to Ranchi together. Now, Bipin is really in a bind. How could he have forgotten such an important trip? As days pass, Bipin gets more and more concerned. Is he losing his memory? To make matters worse, his old school friend Chunnilal keeps visiting, asking for a job. But Bipin doesn't help him out. He just ignores him. Feeling helpless, Bipin consults Dr. Paresh Chanda, a trusted doctor. After examining him, the doctor is puzzled. He tells Bipin that this is a case he's never seen before. The doctor suggests something unusual. Bipin, you should visit Ranchi. Maybe going back will help jog your memory. Bipin follows the doctor's advice and goes to Ranchi, hoping it will help him remember. But, no luck. The trip leaves him even more confused and unsure of what's real. Just when Bipin is about to give up, something surprising happens. He receives an urgent letter. Who's it from? His friend Chunnilal. The letter reveals the truth. A twist in the story. Chunnilal had played a clever prank on Bipin to get back at him for not helping him when he needed a job. Bipin had ignored him, and this was his friend's way of getting revenge. After reading the letter, Bipin feels guilty and dejected. He realizes that he had been unfair to his old friend Chunnilal, who had asked for help. And that, my friends, is where Bipin's confusion ends. When Dr. Chanda arrives for a follow-up visit, Bipin, now embarrassed, lies and says his memory has returned. Instead, he asks for a painkiller for a sore hip. Looks like Bipin managed to keep his secret after all. The story of Bipin Chaudhary's lapse of memory teaches us a valuable lesson. Always help others in their time of need. As the saying goes, as you sow, so shall you reap. Bipin ignored his friend when he needed help, and it cost him. But now, he has learned the importance of kindness and support. Thank you for watching this summary of Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Remember, it's not just about remembering trips or names, but about making the right choices in life. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edurif to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 8. Thank you.